What is up, guys? I didn't film anything now because I was loading the car. I'm pretty messed up, but yeah, I didn't film because I was loading all of this. All of this. I was loading. Well, pretty much loaded up. I got almost everything I need, except more 4 wheels, which Pavlos will pick them up tomorrow morning. Yeah, and basically that's it. Get some tripods also with me, and yeah, I'm late, so I have to keep on moving. I'll speak to you and show you everything on the track. Welcome to the channel, and hope you're gonna stay here for longer. Going to Marathonas, to the racetrack. It's like 15 minutes out of Athens. It's not like a racetrack, it's like a big parking spot which they made for drifting already several years in a row there. So the mayor gave them a space and they made it into a racetrack, and that's why one of the rounds of the championship is now always in Marathonas. It's like 1 hour from here. Anyway. So I finally made it to Marathonas. I'm gonna be setting up here with the guys who organized this event. Quite windy, but it's fine. Here they're finishing setting up the racetrack. Hopefully if I get a drone shot from someone, then I can show you the whole layout. Otherwise, hopefully tomorrow's practice I'll be able to fix the GPS on my GoPro and it will work. So you'll be able to see the whole layout on the GPS telemetry thing. Yeah, I mean, start line here. Seems pretty cool. We'll do a walk around later. Now I want to a little bit to take out my tent and set up my pits. Ready and settled up. Now I'm going to go for a quick track walk. I decided to use a voiceover and also use the replay from the live stream to explain to you about the touch and go and the drift zones, because otherwise the track walk I did was too boring and it was too long and it was pointless because I couldn't show you a top view from the track and the layout. So let's see the replay and I'll explain you everything. So here we have the initiation and the straight line. Here you see the 3 cones which initiates and showing you where you have to start, because at the last big cone you have to be already sliding going sideways, and there you see the box in front of me which is the first touch and go. Here you cannot see it pretty well, but it's really bumpy if you go closer to this red cone, and it gives you a lot of people who have a lot of speed. They do wheelies there and pick up tires. Then you have to transfer slightly. Here we have the first drift zone. Then you go and here you have, there's in this area here from this until where it starts we have a braking zone, and here starts the drift zone. So now we transition. The third drift zone. Another transition, and the last drift zone before the ending, and here's the finish. Good morning, everyone. It's day 2. Had no freaking sleep, too much anxiety. I mean, I put too much into the land. You know how it is if you are driving. So yeah, as I was saying, there's a lot of anxiety, didn't sleep much. Now Pavlos is coming to bring me some tires and also help me and support me in this Kalimera. Yes, Pavlo. So now I'm overthinking my tactics with the tires because I don't have a lot of tires. Probably I'm gonna use for practice runs the semi-slicks, which are remain from the last practice runs, so I still have. So I've done like to start with less grip and then with more grip. Then I have some used dynamo to shred, but then we're gonna go for the west legs. Anyway.
This voice inside my head isn't dead, I think it's growing. Soon we will be one and the same. I've been going to the racetrack, spent all our money on the dog in the bag. I put my heart into an 8-track, how about that? My life was perfect, now it's starting to crack. You put it on the recipe, do what you want to me, 'cause I could never let it go. You touch my body at the same. It was a tragedy, but I think everyone will know. You moved into the tag, so I sneak out the back. Yes, I can feel that it is time to go. So we start up the chase. I am out of this place, 'cause I could never just lay low. I've been going to the racetrack, spent all our money on the dog in the bag. I put my heart into an 8-track, how about that? My life was perfect, now it's starting to crack.
Well, day 2 is over. I haven't filmed much because I wanted to concentrate more on driving and figuring out what to do there out, because I mean stress is all over. This is my second competition, second time in competition, so you know how it is. Yeah. We followed the tactic, which I wanted like the semi-slicks first, like they were like super slidey, and I had no grip, like a little bit. So I used them for three rounds to understand the lines and everything. So then I put on some used radials to get some grip and smoke, and I mean. 2 or 3 went almost perfect. I just need to be more aggressive in the initiation. The problem is I cannot put any GoPros inside the car. The technical inspection told me to take out all of these mounts I have on my... Yeah, anyway. Hopefully to get most of shots or anything out there, people will send me or something, I don't know. But yeah. So let's go watch some qualifications from the Pro 1 and Pro 2, and then head back home, because tomorrow 8 o'clock in the morning we have to get back to do my qualifications. I think we start like at 9:30 to do some runs, some practice runs, and then 10 o'clock, no, not 10, I mean, yeah, 9:30 we do some practice runs, and then we start the qualifications. Let's hope for the best. Yeah.
Πολύ ωραίο πέρασμα στο Vitali.
the